awkward here, the bow.
Yeah, who are you, Quasimodo, the bell ringer?
He's simply following operating rules.
Yep.
Okay, so much for that. That's funny. He's the
I hate when that
guy.
happens.
Look at it.
You know, if you really wanted to be Froggy, you could have him bring those all the way to me.
We probably could,
But
I
you need those engines, I know.
power to run another
I know.
train. All right, that'll do. That'll do. Can you back it up? Hold on. So here's the question of the day. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
What's in the water that puts out fire?
What's in the water that puts on?
What's in the water that puts out fire? Simple stuff. Steam. Nope. Oh, come on. Well, I know it, but I'm trying to finish my
The
video.
only firefighter here, Ernie, we don't know any of
A
this.
fireboat.
Told me it was use a fog nozzle, it'll knock it down
A
fast.
fireboat.